Everyone. We are from Sauharda Public School and I am Anjali Singh, and now I'll introduce my friends. She is Tejaswini and Samira, Afsana, Shubha, Vice Captain Fardeen, Rehan and Dadapir. We have selected the ward number 9, Vidyaranyapura, Main Road near Nandini Milk Parlour, and now I'll call Tejaswini to talk about the problems of the road.
Good morning, I am Tejaswini from 8th standard. So the problems are, there are many garbage problems and stinking smell, the roads are not proper, there are many potholes, no humps and open transformer, and it's very dirty, and the footpaths are not proper, and the road is also not proper. The residential area, it's more of garbage. Thank you.
Now I call Samira to talk about the solutions.
Good morning, I am Samira from 8th standard. For the drainage, we should close the drain and to open transformer, and that also we have talked to the BBMP. They said that they will close it, and footpath no more places, and humps they will do it, and potholes they should close. And the road is not good. So thank you.
We even went to the BBMP office and we met Mr. Suresh, who is the assistant engineer there, and he said that he has taken many actions for the problems, but there is a big, they are going to take a action for a very big problem, and they are going to they have collected some 17 to 18 crores, and till now, from 2003 to 2013, 17 to 18 crore is collected, and now they are going to invest that, use that. And we even went to the BESCOM office. There they are telling that in that area there is too much of load sheddings, and we went and asked that why is so much of load sheddings, 7 to 8 hours a day. So he said that they are doing only 45 minutes load sheddings in a day. But when we said that no, it's not like that, he said then they'll take the action for those problems. There is some problems for that on the wires and all. And we'll do a skit, ma'am. Start skit. Those things. Now we have made some models also. This is the present road, and that is our dream city. The future road, how we want it to be.
Mom, I'm going for play.
Rahul, come back in 1 hour. You can go.
So it is about a boy, Rahul, and he has come from school in the afternoon, 3 o'clock, and he's asking his mother to go to play.
Ma'am, I'm going for play. Mom.
Okay, you can go and come for 1 hour.
No, ma'am, I will come.
Now he goes to his friend Manu's house and asks his mother to call Manu.
Auntie, call Manu.
What work do you have, Rahul?
Auntie, I came to call him to play with me.
No, he can't come. This area is very dirty and full of garbage. He may get disease.
No, Auntie, he will not get. Send me. You, Auntie, I will only go.
No, Rahul, even you don't go to play.
So that they can hear properly. Huh? This side. Stand like this. Come here. They should hear.
Auntie, hello. Call Rahul and Manu, Auntie.
What work do you have, Rahul?
Auntie, I came to call Manu because to play with me.
No, I can't send him. This area is full, dirty and full of garbage. He may get disease.
Nothing will happen, Auntie. Send.
No, Rahul, I'm sorry.
You also send. Okay, Auntie, I will only go.
No, Rahul, you don't go.
Nothing will happen. I will play just 1 hour and I will go back to home.
Okay.
Paper down, Anjali.
So Rahul alone goes to play and he touches all the garbage, and then he goes to his house because he is not able to breathe properly, and he sneezes many times, and he goes to his house.
Mom, I can't breathe properly.
Why, what happened?
Nothing, ma'am. I played just I can't breathe properly.
Come, let me go to doctor. I'll call doctor.
Hi Rahul.
Yes, doctor.
Did you eat anything?
No, doctor.
Did you touch any garbage?
Yes, doctor. I played with him.
That is a reason for malaria. You can see a front of you in your house garbage, and that is a reason for malaria.
I will give injection.
I will give injection for you. Thank you.
After 5 days, when Rahul goes to school.
Morning, ma'am. Morning, ma'am.
Hello, Rahul. How are you now? Why were you absent for 5 days?
Ma'am, I had malaria, ma'am.
See, children, you should not touch garbage and not play in the. You should always play in playground, not on the roads. And see, like Rahul, you can also have you can also get ill with you can also get ill, and you can have many diseases also. So, children, from today, go to your home and tell your parents to not put garbage in front of your house and clean the surroundings. Thank you.